Description: a conditioner that helps prevent frizz, flyaways, and unwanted volume, creating the perfect frizz-free foundation. Benefits: hydrates, nourishes, and helps to repair. Locks nourishing moisture in and frizz-causing humidity out. Suggested use: apply conditioner to freshly shampooed, damp hair, starting 1/8 inch from the scalp. Leave on for 3 minutes. Rinse. Frizz Control. The ultimate regimen for frizz-free, defined curls in any climate. Anti-Frizz Nano Technology with Sericin silk protein creates a better sealing effect versus traditional proteins. Sulfate and paraben-free formulas. Sulfate-free, paraben-free formulas nourish your hair for healthy, naturally beautiful curls. Moisturizing Conditioner. Our advanced blend of emollients, Shea Butter, Murumuru Butter, and Ceramides Hydrates for healthy, frizz-free curls. Top reviews from the United States. Best hair gel. This is the best hair gel for frizzy, curly hair.